Hello Dubai, welcome back to another video. So we're playing Castle of Illusion. This might be the Mickey Mouse game that you had to play something. So let's play it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you like. Let's do this.
Terrifying, the castle stood out against the skyline like a shadow from a horrible nightmare. Lost and alone, what was Mickey to do? Luckily, fate intervened in the guise of a mysterious old mouse. Caution, lad, for Miserabel's plans are truly wicked. Using a magic spell, she intends...
What just happened? I just skipped it by accident.
The Castle of Illusion was Miserabel's twisted playground of trickery and peril.
I'm really sorry,
Nothing
guys.
there was as it seemed.
I'm really sorry, guys. I didn't mean to skip it. It's because
Imagining Minnie's fear gave Mickey courage. There was no time to waste.
Oh wait, set the red. Oh, this is for jumping. Okay. Hold jump before you learn the things. Okay. Oh, look at that guy having fear. Ooh, okay. Oh man, this might be the castle, I think.
Into the castle entryway strode the mouse with the heart of a great lion, though his knees felt more like those of a frightened kitten.
Oh man, looks like we gotta do all these. Oh man. Okay, what's this? This might be some animals? Oh no. There's so many. Wait, what? Oh, wait. So you gotta click gems to open another one? Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
I wonder what's behind this door.
Okay then. I guess here he goes.
Mickey crossed the threshold and emerged once again into the forest. But it was changed somehow. This wasn't the pastoral wood.
Bad guys. Okay, so we gotta click gems. That's for sure. Oh, hey, come back here. I didn't get these. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I think he's come getting me. Okay, so we have to click gems because, you know... Oh, how did he get here? There's another jump up here? Oh, there gotta be another way. Oh no. Come in. Yes. What's that? Oh no, I missed it. Okay, forget it. Who's that? What is that supposed to be? Apples? Tab red. Oh wait. Oh, you can draw it. I don't know. How am I gonna be able to reach that? Okay. Draw. Oh wait. Oh, you can. This is just like the other games that it's playing. Oh, another one. Ooh. Here you go. Let's do it. Nice, good gems. Let's get the star. Ooh. Oh man. Yikes. Oh man. Wait, what's this supposed to be? Wait, do I have to go back?
The signpost was created
Wait, what?
by Miserabel, so of course
Went this way.
it had a mischievous streak.
What in the world? Oh wait, how am I supposed to do this? Oh wait, am I choosing the...
Sure wish that signpost would make up its mind.
I think I chose the right one. I don't know how.
Suddenly, Mickey was in another part of the wood. Were these gigantic trees, or had Mickey been shrunk?
Whoa. Oh man! Oh, I can crouch. Okay. Oh! Oh wait, what happened? Oh, you gotta be... Oh man. This is gonna take like a long day. Oh! Whoop. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Oh, the leaves are falling. Okay. I thought I need to get gems. Oh, quit going away! What are you doing? This thing is going away. Make it! Oh my god. God. Ow. Made it. Oh no! Oh, this is about to take away. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go. Oh, what's that? Oh.
With a whirl and a flash, Mickey reappeared in the clearing with the playing card. And much to his relief, he
Oh.
was back to his own size, too.
Got those now? Oh! Nothing here. Okay. Boom. Okay then. And the... Oh wait, this is where we go. That the tree go. Wait, what?
Mickey had to move fast.
Are you kidding me? Oh no! Oh go! Go away my... Are you kidding me? I get tripped by the tree. Oh no, gotta go. Come on. I keep getting tripped onto the tree. Okay, jump. Okay, good. I missed the gem. I missed those. I'm gonna get this out.
That was close.
Yeah, well, that's what I said. That's what I said. Well, looks like I did it. I like the music though. Actually, I'm
Mickey
gonna be
knew
good.
he was closer to Miserable now. The very air around him tingled with mischief and danger.
Who was those? Okay, that's not good. Oh, who is this guy? Oh, that might be guys. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa! Relax there, mister. Oh, relax. Got that? Okay, I don't know what I'm supposed to stay here. Okay, now let's... Wait, what? That's so mean! You cannot do that! God! I keep getting hit by the bats. Oh, I gotta be careful with these. Oh man. Okay, I better not. Wait, I think I know. I don't need to get on one of those little thingies. Okay, I need to wait. Okay. Because you did know that the red means angry. Right? Trying to be mean. Okay. Go. Oh, it's just gonna take.
Suddenly, Mickey found himself catapulted into the clouds.
Oh, one fell.
After a short flight, Mickey was back in the haunted forest, no worse for wear.
I know. Ooh. What am I doing? Another one? Oh, there's no way I cannot do this. Okay, no, then that's... this witch.
Mizrabel taunted Mickey with her cruel laugh, but perhaps she was secretly worried about how close he was getting.
Oh, really? Oh, whoa! I didn't know. Oh! Oh my god, I almost fell. Wait, what? What in the world? Oh, how am I supposed to do this now? Oh, the gym. I need the gym, will ya? Oh, dude. Dude. Unbelievable. Just go ahead to... Give me that. Dude. I don't like the way you do it, trees. Get out of the way. Oh my god, dude. It's a dead end. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Okay, finally. And now what? Okay. We finally finished this now. And what is Act 3 now? What is it supposed to
With
be?
the frights and sprites of the forest behind him, Mickey faced the next part of his quest with renewed courage.
Oh, it's Zig!
The grumpy old oak tree. Like all of Mizrabel's illusions,
No.
he was no friend to Mickey.
You gotta be kidding me. Do I have to do this? Ow! That was so close. Ow! I got hit by it! Oh, dude. Okay, go. Oh, it's because I'm hitting the acorn, that's why. Dude. Oh, shit. There you go, mate. What? There you go. Oh! There you go. I think this is getting too easy, I think. What's that? You cheater! There you go. Oh my god.
The red rainbow gem was finally his. Now it was time
I finally
for
did
our hero
it.
to move on.
I finally did it. Well, wait, but this is a gym? A red gym? Alright! It's getting better now. Really, really better now. So, we have to collect all those.
Exploring the castle halls, Mickey now had one of the rainbow gems that would help him save Minnie. But he knew there were more to find.
Really?
And the Masters of Illusion would not give them up without a fight.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna pause right here, so... I hope you guys enjoyed this video for now, so... I need to continue this game, so in case we can finish it. Okay, guys. Hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. See you later, my friends. Oh, dude.